Hey guys, getting ready to do some flying. Just want to show flying on public land here. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. %98 battery. It's about the best I could hope for.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I'm going to take it up over 100. Let it sit for a moment. Entering sport mode. All right, I'm going for it, guys. Following the road again, just to play it safe. So, going for a range test here. Had some issues with the Mini yesterday where it was disconnecting around a mile and then sometimes even closer to me. So, I'm going to see what it does today. 15 satellites. Doing pretty good. I'm over 2,000 feet away. Nice quick response. It's a beautiful day out here. Unusual for February. A little breezy, not too bad though. I'm just gonna continue down this road. I'm sure you guys are all getting sick of it, but seen too many issues with the Mini to risk taking it out into the backcountry yet. Maybe in warmer weather I will. I don't have to hike through a couple feet of snow. There, I locked the auto exposure. Come out here because there's nobody out here to bother me. I'm not flying over a bunch of houses. There's cows out there and that's about it. Maybe some coyotes, some antelope, some deer. And the good thing is I don't have to worry about no flight zones. Huh, lost transmission there. That's a first for this area. Usually I don't have that problem until I'm quite a bit farther out. "7,000 feet. According to my compass down there, I'm pointing it right at it. %76 battery. Not getting high wind warnings or anything, so. I don't know why I'm having transmission errors. I'm gonna try taking it a little bit higher. See if that's part of my problems. Oh cool, it got worse. Where the crap am I? Oh, that's the way. Well, 200 feet seemed to be the magic number there. I've taken this thing over 12,000 feet, so I want to at least hit that mark today. I'm at 70% battery. I don't see any reason why I wouldn't, unless the Mini screws up. I'm just standing perfectly still. Yeah, maybe I just wasn't high enough. I don't know if these range extenders help or not, but I'm running them just in case. Like I said, I've got my farthest distance with the range extenders, so.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
So when I bring it back, I'm going to follow the road. At 65% battery, I should be fine. Okay. 11,700 feet. I'd like to hit 13,000, but I don't think it's going to happen. Might be too much of a breeze out here for it. Okay, farther than I've ever been. Let's go for 13,000. And I'll bring her back. Worst case scenario, I'm forced to land next to the road. Well, worst case scenario, this thing falls out of the sky. But I have a little more confidence in it than that. Alright. Lost transmission there for a second. 13,000. Nice. Try 13,500. Then I'll bring it back. 57% battery. Signal lost. Got it back. 55%. So this is the worst data loss I've ever had with the Mini. It switched modes from sport to P mode 25 times, and I had 10 data loss points. Take it to 14,000 maybe. Not once did it ever say it was switching modes on my screen. Gimbal's still working. Kind of. Alright, I'm bringing it back. Not responding too well, so I'm going to hit return to home.
Go home.
Okay. Nice. Oh, I'll cancel that. Keep losing transmission. bringing up the map. One thing I wish they'd do is make the map follow that thing. Well, I'm lost. I'm hitting return to home.
Go home.
My FPV's pretty much gone. Got it back finally. There's the road up there. Pretty sure I'm gonna make it to the road. So I see the road up there right now. It's back under my control. 31% battery. Well, we're gonna be pushing it, but like I said, worst case scenario, I'd jump in the truck and go after it. $28. 8,000 feet. Coming back nice and smooth now. 18 miles an hour. Must be fighting the wind a little bit. I'll have to go to airdata.com and check it out. Let's see what's below us. Oh yeah, open fields. My altitude's maintaining. Down to 24, 23. Morning should be coming up pretty soon. $6,000 feet. I got a ways to go. %. Under a mile. We'll get closer to that road. Haven't wrecked this thing yet. I don't want to start today. Getting real close to that road now. Just in case I have to bring her down. Feet. I'm good about that. I'm down to 12%. Heck man, it might make it. Did a battery test the other day. Dropped these down to 0. So my first flight, it would not do. Okay, 2,800. Kind of annoying. I wish you'd turn that beeping sound off. I see my truck up there. 9%. Still flying. Not losing altitude. $2,000 feet.
Landing.
Still pushing ahead.
Critically low battery.
Still got 5%. Got full throttle up on the elevation. Oh, I'm hearing it now. Down to 3%. I'm almost there. Here it comes, guys. Nice. Made it.
Landing.
14,000 feet. Made it. 14,000 feet. Nice safe landing right in my hand. Yeah! That's how it's done, boys.